In today's daily news, I really have to just state my mind. Jamaica has effectively confirmed that we are just good for ports of call. So, my fanciful dream that I tried to ignite and inspire has fallen in ashes. And so, we lost millions, if not billions of revenue, dollars that is, because we missed the golden opportunity to home port. And persons will say, oh, you are back with that again. Absolutely not. I'm just lamenting openly before I show you the jubilant exuberance with which our company is celebrating the news that on November 8th, we will be welcoming into our ports of call both Falmouth and Port Royal, 2 ships. Yes, yes, yes. Throw the Dutch pot up in the air, not the pan, cover them. We are getting ships coming back into Jamaica one day, maximum 8 hours, maximum spend $100 per person, maximum amount of persons disembarking 30%. Yes, Jamaica has a lot to celebrate. Woohoo! Ships are coming back in port. Yes, you say, why the sarcasm? Hey, if you heard it, maybe it's there. But you know, when you are counting pennies and you get excited about it, why should anybody want to stop you? So, woohoo! The new Staten Dam from Holland, America, rolls into Port Royal November 8th. And woohoo! Falmouth, which could have reeked in humongous amounts of money as one of the best built, most secure, most advantageously located port in the Caribbean, will welcome its first ship as well. Not an overnight call, no, not home porting, no. Just a regular ship coming in for a few hours. We should be thankful. Yeah, sure. Gratitude is a must, our girl says. But are we okay with peanuts when we could have had the entire farm? Those are just my thoughts as we celebrate November 8th, the arrival of 2 wonderful ships for a few hours in Jamaican waters once more. Few dollars to the taximan, few dollars for the jelly man. Hey, something better than nothing. That's how I see it right here on the Daily News.